what's up, you all? This is Stephen Blackfish there. Welcome to my channel. I boarded the canal at Point Lookout, New York, and we are going for deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting blackfish. Weather looks so good. Hopefully we have a good time. We use blue and white crab as the bait. Blackfish, small, huh? Eh? 这多大的呀？多大可以 keep？ Too small, right? Oh, beautiful. Okay. Conclude today's fishing trip. We borrowed 2 keepers and threw back a bunch of small ones. It's a little bit chilly today and windy. We had a fun time, and I'll see you in my kitchen. What's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. These are the 2 keepers I'm talking about. Today with fresh catch, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called pan-fried fish chunk. Not cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale. Fillet the fish. Start from the back of the fish and work towards the belly. Cut the fillet into strips, then into small chunks. Marinate the fish with salt, white pepper, and cooking wine. For the sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, chicken bouillon, sugar, white pepper, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, half cup water, and 1 tablespoon starch. Prepare some red and green pepper, and onion, ginger, garlic. Add starch to the fish. Add 1-to-1 ratio. Slowly add water until all the fish get coated with starch. Deep fry the fish chunk 1 by 1. Break the fish chunk if they stick together. Take the fish out when they become light brown. Increase the oil temperature and fry the fish for the second time to make them crispy. Briefly cook the pepper. Stir-fry ginger garlic scallion, add the sauce, and cook it until it's boiled. Add the fish and stir fry. Add half tablespoon vinegar and keep stir fry. Finally, add some chopped garlic. This is the pan-fried fish chunk I'm talking about. It is one of the most popular recipes in Northeast Chinese cuisine. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.